Today we're going to draw Harris the rabbit. So to do this, you're going to need a white sheet of paper and a pencil and a black crayon. So find the middle of your paper, start with the nose, it's like the letter U, close it up. I draw a little half a moon in here sideways on his nose, a line down. Then I'm going to start on the edge of the nose and draw an oval all the way around. Now make an oval for his head. Add an ear going way out to the edge of your paper and an inside of the ear. And the other ear, make sure you use the paper way out. Add an eye, add another eye. Then I'm going to add the whiskers. And now the neck and the tummy. And then we're going to add 2 arms, 1 on each side. And then I'm going to add an oval for the tummy. And then what you need to do is take your black crayon and you can trace all the pencil lines and then color in. Whoops, I broke my crayon. That's okay, it still works. Broken crayons still work. And you'll want to trace all the lines carefully, pushing kind of hard as you draw. And then we'll do the head, the ears, the other ear, and the whiskers. And then don't forget, an artist always signs their name. Then I'm going to use color crayons to color mine in. If you want to use watercolor paints, you go right ahead.
So
that would
I'm
look
gonna
great
start with
too.
this arm.
So I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to color the arms first.
Brown.
And when you color, just make sure you're pressing not real hard. If you press hard, your hand's going to get tired. So I just color all the same direction, trying to fill in the white spots.
One direction.
And then I'm going to move on to the tummy, and I'm going to color that tummy pink. Now, you can color your rabbit any color you want, but I want mine to sort of look like Harris. So I'll fill the ears in pink. And then I'm going to color the rest of the ears in brown.
Nice and soft.
And then I'll color the head, making sure I leave the eyes white.
His face. Leave his eyes
And that
white,
area
go
around his nose
eyes.
is going to be left white also.
And then you want to keep
So
going
here I go, finishing my coloring.
face.
And you can go right over your whiskers. That black crayon isn't going to go anywhere. And there, I am just about done. Now for the background. Some people think when I say the background to turn their paper over and color the back side.
Of the paper.
I don't mean
No,
to do
not
that.
the back
No, no,
side.
no.
We're
I
gonna
want
do
you to
this
fill in the
background
white
around
area
him. So
around.
I'm gonna
And
take a
sometimes that's
color.
hard to
This is
do, but I
purple.
have a trick.
I peeled the
If you have a
wrapper off,
crayon
and
that
I'm
has
gonna
no
lay it
wrapper
side,
on
and
it,
what you're gonna do is
you
you're
just
gonna
lay it on your
push
paper,
crayon like
and you
this,
can push it
and
with
you're gonna go
your
right over
thumb
your
and first
name,
finger and
all
just
the way
push
out
it
to
back
the
and forth
edge.
all
When you
the
get around
way
the ears, you wanna
around
be
your
careful to go
rabbit,
out here.
filling in all
gonna
of
go
the
all
white
the way around here.
background. This is a
Push
trick
out to
I
the
learned many
edges,
years ago.
holding
It
See
looks
how I'm
neat when
holding
you're
it like
done,
this? Okay.
but don't
So,
switch hands.
you don't
Always
wanna
use
switch
the same hand,
hands.
even if
Keep
your
working
hand gets
one
tired.
hand.
And if you want to,
You wanna get in
don't forget to
here and
color
then in
inside these
here.
arms. That's the air underneath his
there
arms.
is my
And
picture.
then
Maybe
you
I
can
wanna
take
add a second
another
color.
color and
Watch
add
this.
that
I
and
can add
see
another
what
color
happens
on
if you
there.
mix colors today. But what I've found is that you can color a whole lot of area. It looks neat and your hand doesn't get
And
tired.
This color would be pretty
So
with
here's a
that.
third color. I'm going to add
Experiment.
another shade of purple I
And mix
found.
and see what you can do with your
And we'll be
colors.
using this technique for some other projects that we use too later on in the school year. But this is just a fun starter. Now, some of you may have watercolored your
there
paper,
is your
and
Harris
that's
the
great
rabbit.
too. But today I chose crayons because I just wanted to do that. I hope you had fun, and I can't wait to see your rabbits.